Right now, let's get right to Jim Smith. He is live in Chopper 2 with more. Jim.
And Mary Chris, the accident involved a tractor trailer, this truck, another vehicle which was severely damaged, and possibly up to 3 additional vehicles in the accident. It happened on the westbound side of Route 3 between Route 21 and the Main Avenue exit. We do not know the number or extent of injuries involved in the accident, but we have seen ambulances on the scene. There are signs that the tractor trailer may have been traveling eastbound. We could see some damage to the center divider, skid marks, as well as one of the axles up onto the divider. Now, as far as the traffic getting through the area, the westbound side of Route 3 is completely shut down. The detour is at Route 21. We have seen people standing outside of their cars waiting that have been stuck in this delay. On the eastbound side, there are lanes open, but due to the emergency activity in the area, there are significant delays there as well. A 3-mile delay extending back to the Garden State Parkway. Live in Chopper 2, Jim Smith, CBS 2 News.